Okay, so here we are in our local woods. Here's Jake. We've just made a little den using the basher between two trees that we're going to sleep in tonight. So let's take a look. Here we go. There's Jake's bag. We've got it strung up here with a fairly easy to undo knot, and then across to that other tree over there. And it's really quite low to the ground. And we cleared the ground beforehand, didn't we, Jake? We cleared it all beforehand and got rid of all the sticks and stuff, so as not to have an uncomfortable night. And then we put the basher up, and now we're going to sleep in it. Oh, put our beds in it, yeah, that's right. Yeah? Thermarest. What do you think?
Good.
Is it going to be warm tonight, Jake?
It's almost completely dark.
Let's have a look inside, shall we?
From there and here. Here.
Pretty dark in there. Awesome. Right, we're good. Okay, Jake, see what we're doing. We
cooking pig. Beef stew.
Beef stew. Give it a stir. Probably need a stir. Looking good. We've got our couscous.
Can we just eat it when it looks good?
Well, it needs to be warmed through. It's a good stew from last night, but we need to make sure it's properly heated through, Jacob.
Why?
Actually, you probably could eat it cold, to be honest. It's probably fine, but we'll warm it to get ourselves warm. And we've got our lovely little candles. Little candle holder things there, which are pretty cool. And couscous.
Oh, like the drop.
And our little tent inside there.
One of the drops of wax go down and then like solidify.
Okay, it's night time. It's probably only about 5:30.
Hello.
Or 6 o'clock. And we're in bed in our little tent, which actually you can see very little of because it's really dark. If you can see me, I'm not sure. And we're going to bed. We've got our little basher, and we've got our pillows and sleeping bags and thermarests and stuff, which are pretty good. And it's pretty cosy and it's pretty cool. And we'll probably be awake at the crack of dawn, probably before. Right. Night, Jake.
Okay.